Hello children, I am here with a question that is related with a triangle. For different type of the competitions, here we are having a triangle. This is a triangle ABC. This is a triangle, okay? ABC. A, B, C. Such that this is the perpendicular drop from this point to that. The area of this is 54. Okay? The area of this is 54 and square centimeter. And the area of this is 42 SQCM. This length, let us suppose this point is D, is equal to this. It means we are giving that AC is equal to DB. This is point C. This is A, B, C, D, E. This point is E. We have to find CE is equal to X is equal to what if this distance is given to us 15. See, this is given to us 15 centimeter. It means EB is given to us is equal to 15. Repeating my question further, again, that ABC is a right angle triangle from a point on a hypotenuse CB, from a point E on the hypotenuse of CB, a perpendicular drop on AB base. This is also 90 degree. The triangle, the area of this triangle, area of E triangle DEB is equal to 54 square cm. Okay, and the area of this, area of CADE, this is given to us 42 SQCM. Except this CA is equal to, AC is equal to DB, this only DB, this portion. Okay. And this is also AD is equal to also given us, AD is equal to 4 centimeter. This is also given to us 4 centimeter. Now we have to find the value of this, which is X. This is equal to what? X is to be obtained. What about X? This is to be obtained. CE, this is to be found. What we can do, we can see the area of this whole triangle is given to us. ABC, this is 42 plus 54. 42 plus 54. It means that area of triangle ABC will be equal to 42 plus 54, that is 96, which can be written as height into distance. Let us suppose this is equal to P. Height is equal to CE is equal to P. P is not known to us even. So that this can be written as 1 by 2 CA into base AB. This is 96, or CA can be obtained from here because AB is not known to us. AB is equal to, because this is P, this will be also equal to P. Okay, this is P, then this will be also equal to P. CA is equal to P, it means 1 by 2 P into AB. AB is equal to 4 plus P. This is equal to 96, or we can say that P 4P plus P square is equal to 192. This is the quadratic equations. Quadratic equations में now we can find the value of P. This can be written P square minus plus 4P minus 192 is equal to 0. From here, P can be obtained. 192. 192. This can be written as 4 3 are 12. 4 4. 30. 4 6 here, 4 3 4 6 are 4 4 are 60, 4 8 are 32. 4 6 here, 4 1 are 4, 4 1 are 4 2 are 8. Okay, this is 8, 4 2 are 8 and 12. Minus, oh, it can be done here. This is P square plus 8 into 12 है ना, is equal to 192. नहीं, this cannot be done. 4 से करें. Two to the 4 to the 6, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 and into the, this is done, 16 into 12. The difference of 16 and 12 is equal to 4. So that we can write it as 16P plus minus 12P minus 192 is equal to 0. This the P can be taken as common one. Then P plus 16 minus 12 further taking common, P minus 16 आएगा, okay, plus 16 is equal to 0. It means P plus 16 and P minus 12, these are the values of P. We are having two values of P. One P is equal to 16 and minus 16. One P is equal to minus 16, which is not possible. And another P is equal to 12, which is possible. It means this will come 12. This will become to 12. And hence this will all become AB will be equal to, it means because DC, DB, this DB will be equal to 12. It means AB will be equal to 12 plus 1, that is 16. 12 plus 4, that is 16. Now this is known to us. This is known to us. We have to find this value. Okay. Two methods are there. Square of this whole quantity is equal to square of this plus the square of this. Out of which the 15 is to be subtracted and x can be obtained. Okay. Another method is this. Okay. Another method is this. This length can be obtained by using this. This is 12. This is 15, and this will be what? In triangle. DE B. D, E, B. This is 12. We have calculated P is equal to 12. So 12 square, 15 square minus 12 square is equal to ED. 15 square minus 12 square is equal to ED. ED square. That is equal to 15 into 15 to 25 minus 144 is equal to ED square. It means this is equal to 1, 2, 1. What? 8. 81. ED is equal to, ED square is equal to 81. It means ED is equal to 9. If it is 9, this is 9, this will be also 9. This will be also 9. And this is 4. Because this is 4. This is 9, this is 4. Whole is 12. In this triangle, this will be equal to, 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Different ways are there to calculate x. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3 and this is already 4. Then this will be automatically equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Okay. It means in triangle PEC, x square will be equal to 4 square plus 3 square. That is 16 plus 5, 16 plus 9 is 25 and x will be equal to 5. Another method is also here. You can compare the hypotenuse upon base, the x upon 4 is equal to 15 upon 12. This can also be done because these two triangles are just symmetrical to each other. This angle is equal to this angle. This 90, this is common. This is equal to this. So that ratio of hypotenuse upon base, that is x upon 4 for this angle will be equal to 15 upon this EB upon base. This is 12. From here further we'll get here what? 3 and that 5. Different methods are there to find out the value of x. You can compare this upon this will be equal to this upon this. Or you can find this is 12 out of which 9 is obtained first. Then 12 minus 9, this is 3. And this already 4 is given to us. This is 4, this is 3, this is 4, this will be 5. Okay. It is very easy. And another, this is different tip. You can choose whatever the way you can do. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. It is competitive questions, very interesting question. I think it will be, you will feeling very interesting in this video. So that please thanks for watching my video and please don't forget to give me thumbs up and like. Okay. Thank you. Good night.